In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to increase your Snapchat score, and this is going to require multiple Snapchat accounts. So if you actually want to create a new Snapchat account and you already have used your email, all you're going to need to do is use an email generator online, and this will be able to increase your Snap score super quickly. You can either do this, or you can actually just annoy your friends and send them multiple snaps. Now, you're going to begin by clicking on the plus icon and then scrolling down and clicking on multi-snap. This will take multiple Snapchats in one chance, and once you do that, it'll stop at 10 snaps, and you can click on send to. Now, once you click on send to, you can send it to your accounts, or you can actually send it to your friends, but just be aware that it's going to send them 10 snaps at once. If you have multiple accounts, you're going to be able to send it to all of them at once, and it will increase your score super quickly. Now, this is a very easy way since sending snaps increase your snap score super quickly, and you can also do videos if you would like. So I'm just going to send this to one of my contacts, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.